Hi everyone, it's Celeste and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a moment, but guess what? We are collaborating, like the title says, with Popsewing again. Yay! And today's video, as you've seen in the thumbnail, we are making this beautiful wax leather bag. And I have been using this non-stop. It is my brand new go-to bag, and I cannot believe I made this with my bare hands. Now, Popsewing does supply you with the tools to make this, such as needles, thread, the rivets as well, and a screwdriver to be able to completely make this bag. This bag is so cool. It is my first time doing buckles like this, and they are functional. So I am in love with this. Like, look at this, watch this. I can even make it longer just in case like I have something else. Okay. Just in case I want to make it longer. I made this. I made this from their kit and it was not hard to do. I followed the instructions. So let's go ahead and get into the video. If you are interested in making something from their website, I'm hooking you up with my 20% off code, which CelesteOrchidMarissaFloro. Again, my 20% off discount code is CelesteOrchidMarissaFloro. Let's go ahead and check out this video of my Popsewing little purse, and I hope you're excited to see what's in store. When you get your DIY leather kit from Popsewing, it comes in this box with their tape. And of course, you want to open this up. Earlier, I mentioned that you get everything you need to complete your DIY kit, not just the pre-cut out leather pieces. You get the buckles, the rivets, a screwdriver, needle and thread, and scissors. So you will be able to finish your full DIY kit. It's really important to lay out every single piece so you know you have everything ready to start your DIY. If not, go ahead and message Popsewing back to say that you're missing a piece. That way you can complete your project. This DIY did not start me with sewing, but installing the magnetic pieces first, which was a big surprise for me. And honestly, it was so easy. You just put the big metal piece inside with the flaps on the outside, and then you use the screwdriver to help press it down. It was so simple, and I cannot believe I haven't done this before with any of my cosplays. Okay, to my credit, I've done snaps, but not really magnets like this. So I've done different types of magnets where I've sewn them in, but this I think is a little bit next level. Fast forward a little bit later with some awesome hand sewing done by yours truly, and now that piece with the magnets is actually the front pocket. It's actually pretty sizable, and I'm so shocked how easy it was to assemble all of this. Remember, no sewing machine necessary. Even beginners can do this. Check it out. I'm following along the simple DIY tutorial, and I'm currently doing the magnets again for the front flap of the purse. Remember, it's a video, so I can go back and rewatch any step that I had missed or if I don't understand it. Again, they do have an active Discord, or you can email them if you have any problems. And with a little bit of sleight of hand, ta-da! That current hand piece that I was working on with the magnets is this little flap. And I hand-made this, buckles and all. The buckles come pre-assembled, so there's no magic with that. But I'm just really happy to see how this is coming along. Up next was sewing on the small pieces on the top part of the purse, meaning the handle and the little flaps. And ta-da! Aren't they so cute? It looks so good! Here is all the pieces pre-assembled, meaning I went off camera and sewed them together. So we have 3 pieces, the front panel, the middle panel, and the top flap. All I have to do is the double needle sewing technique, meaning it's 1 long cord, 2 needles. And I need to make sure the tension is taut on each side going in and out of the pre-cut holes. Thankfully, they have done this with all of their products, so it's easy to do the double needle sewing technique. Like my other Popsewing videos, I am not going to speed up the hand sewing process. This does take a long time. Because I am a mom of 2, it did take me a little bit longer to finish this project, but if I was by myself, I could easily knock this out within a day. This purse tutorial was so easy to follow. It's so simple, there's not too many pieces, and it's not so complex. I loved how to make this one, and honestly, if I could remake this bag with all the different colors, I probably would, because it's such a functional bag, it's so cute, and you know, the hand sewing wasn't murder on my hands this time around. For everyone's sake, I am not fast forwarding this part of the video. I'm literally showing you how fast I am hand sewing this, just to make sure you all understand I'm not cheating the system. The last thing I need to do is just sew this onto the top. And then it's all kind of like done. Woo! Let's go! Oh my gosh, let me show you how much I can fit into this purse. I fit some snacks, my glasses, my planner, which is pretty bulky, my reading glasses, and look at that. All of that fits in so cozy, so comfy into my purse. Ta-da! Look, this is the completed purse. Oh my god, do I love it? Yes, I do. And I can't wait to tell you more about it.
Something that's really amazing about this bag is that the strap also is something that I had to create. The rivets at the end were so easy to do. I can't believe I've been really scared to do that. And both sides have rivets to make sure that you have a very versatile purse. Now, if I don't want this strap specifically, I can undo the rivets myself and then add a different strap. Or no strap if I felt like it. But of course I have to have the handle. I like this so much. It carries my planner, like my lipstick, my reading glasses, of course my phone, and of course a little snacky. Who else loves Pocky? Let me tell you. So this purse is really spacious and it fits so much. It fits so much. I can't believe I made this. And their kits are so good. I've been using their kits for years now. The first one was an Hermes bag. The second one was like a Chanel backpack. But now this third crossbody perfect bag for like every day is like so good. So throw my phone in, throw my wallet in, throw my agenda, and I'm good to go. So you saw, this is a really cool bag. They have other colorways. This is the waxy black leather. And the crazy part is here. Let's find a spot. I'll show you the spot here on the strap. If I scratch it, like the wax comes off. So it gives me battle damage. This is a battle damage purse. And it's like, I didn't know I needed this in my life. But all the other products are amazing. This time I wanted a smaller purse. It only took me like a day to make. So if you're a beginner, do not be scared. Try getting yourself a pop sewing kit. This is a really great way for you to get started in crafting if you're scared to make things on your own. Their kits are wonderful, so that way they do all the cutting, all the measuring. Well, not all the measuring, but they give you enough thread. That way, if you do mess up with your cut, you have more to play with. Scissors, needles, everything that you need comes in this box. So that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Like this video. And again, my discount code with Popsewing is
CelesteOrchidMarissaFloro.
You make anything, let me know and tag me on social media. I would love to see it. If you actually get one of these bags, I would love to see which colorway you're able to get. This is so cute. I live. I'm very tempted to scratch in my own design. But I don't think I'm going to do that because I want to see where my battle damage takes me with my purse. I think that's about it. If you haven't subscribed already, like, what are you doing? What are you doing? I've been here for too long and like, I need you to subscribe. I think I've been on YouTube for like 9 years or something and I have not been consistent because of my kids. That being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye. Ow, I dropped my purse. More battle damage, right?